Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to be talking about position papers. A position paper is an academic paper or essay that presents an opinion or position about an issue. It is usually issued by an organization or by an individual author. They're used in academia, politics, law, governmental affairs, and other areas. The position paper presents the facts of an issue and offers a position or arguable opinion about the issue. The goal is to convince the audience that the position is a valid one. Ideas are usually carefully researched and presented and reasoned in developing the argument. While a position paper may be brief, such as a letter to the editor, they are normally longer and detailed in the form of an academic position paper. Classically, they are used by large organizations to make public the official beliefs and recommendations to its members, readers, or to the general public. Position papers in academia also encourage dialogue on the topic. They assume a certain level of knowledge among the reader and are not meant to be a recitation of the basic facts. Academic societies or membership associations that have an official peer-reviewed journal may publish their stance on an issue in the form of a position paper, letting their members know where their group or profession stands on an issue. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more of my videos. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.